One of the coolest things about Google Performance Max is that it's one campaign type. So for example, here at Tier 11, for years, we've had non-branded search specialists, we've had branded search specialists, we've had YouTube search specialists, we've had even display, and we've had a lot of different individuals running Google campaigns because you had to be, in essence, an expert in each individual campaign type, whether it's Maps, whether it's YouTube, whether it's Gmail, whether it's display, whether it's discovery, whether it's search. Now what Performance Max does is it aggregates all of those platforms into one platform. So the advertiser can now have a single source of truth where Google is going out and finding your ideal customer based upon your targeting and based upon your goals over their entire ecosystem, instead of having to manage all 6 or 7 or 8 different types of campaigns, or in our case, having multiple individuals managing campaigns for customers. We now have one actual division of our organization devoted to Performance Max, which has simplified things tremendously for us as an agency, and it'll do the same thing for you as a business owner. So if you're a CMO or a director of marketing and you want to get into Google Performance Max, you no longer need a YouTube specialist, a search specialist, a display specialist. You just need one person to aggregate all of this data into one specific campaign, and you'll be able to get results. Now, the results take a couple of weeks at least, if not 3 to 4 weeks, to start working, which is the algorithm working its magic because it's spreading out over all of the entire Google ecosystem, which is an important thing to keep in mind as an advertiser. So there's simplicity in setup. The real challenge is in the strategy, and that's why once you start to get data back fed from the machine, Google will then be able to target your individual customer more readily once it starts to gather all that data. So simple to start, simple to set up. It's a little bit more complex as you go down and get more and more information from the algorithm. The point is that Google Performance Max is infinitely more usable than any other Google platform. And that's one of the reasons why we're so excited about using it here at Tier 11.